Oh no, something is breaking. I'm a little bit afraid to turn around and look what it actually is. That's a pretty comfortable seat. Apart from the cracking sound, no! Hello and welcome to another video here on my channel, Christen the hamster wheel. Today I'd like to build some camping chairs from bamboo, obviously, as always, the bamboo channel. Because it's nice to have a place to sit so you don't have to sit on the ground every time you're out camping. It has been a problem for us. So I want to make these classic chairs that I at least did in woodworking class when I was a kid and in primary school. And I want to do it from bamboo, the one that you put together with two pieces and you can store it away and it doesn't take up much space. So that's what I want to do. Only thing is, I don't want to do it from pine wood or some other sort of wood. I want to do it from bamboo and see if it's possible. That will make it a lot lighter. Maybe not, pine wood is pretty light, doesn't matter. But it helps me use some of all the bamboo I've collected and stored up before we move, because I'm not sure I want to move all this bamboo because I didn't build that sauna, because I thought building a sauna and then I have to move that, and that's also why I gave the pergola to Kevin, to not have to move so much stuff. And if we're only in the next house for like, what do you say, for like half a year and then I have to move it again and again and again, I'd rather be have as little stuff to move as possible. But camping chairs won't hurt a bit. Also, I got a video coming up where I want to try to make that bamboo salt that they do in one of the Asian countries. I can't remember the name right now, I'm sorry. It's supposed to be very healthy and I want to try what it tastes like. So yeah, now I'm just selecting some good pieces of bamboo to make the chairs. I want them to be as straight as possible, and I'm trying to select the pieces where I have the bottoms of the bamboo because it's very strong in the bottom and thick. So that's what I'm going for. And I sort of have to find some pieces that are the same thickness so they'll fit together when you put the two pieces together. I'll attach a photo so you can see what I mean by the chair I want to build. If you want to build these camping chairs yourself, it's pretty simple. Obviously, it doesn't have to be built from bamboo. Most of these, as I remember it when I was in primary school, were built from regular wood, just the cheap kind. You need 4 pieces. The first one you cut at 70 centimeters and then make a second one like it. And the 2 other ones you make 53 centimeters. Then you cut a 40-degree angle on the long ones, the 70 centimeters ones. Like, for instance, it's very easy when you have a round saw like I have here. You can just set it to 40 degrees like I did and then cut your angle. It gets a bit more difficult with the seating, the pieces you're going to use for the seating of the camping chair, because it needs to be 63 degrees, and that was a challenge for me, as you see in the video, because I had to try a couple of times because my round saw didn't have that setting. So the easy way to do it, to make almost precisely 63 degrees, is to mark the piece of bamboo, as you can see I do in the video as well, at 10 centimeters up, and then hit the one edge of the bamboo and the other one edge of the ankle with where the 10 centimeter mark is, and that will give you almost precisely the 63 degree angle. In the video it's a bit rough, the cut I make, but it's almost 63 degrees, which is what I need. And then you need two pieces at the bottom. It needs to be 2 centimeters from the edge, as you can see here in the video. And the other one, when you flip the chair over, needs to be 7 centimeters from the first piece on the opposite side. These two pieces are the ones that are gonna hold the chair, hold the seat in place when you sit down. The seating, you can do what you like. You don't have to make a space in between the pieces of wood or the bamboo. You don't have to, but I did it just as a design feature, and the argument could be you'd use less wood. I presume it is easier to make it from wood, because then you wouldn't have to use, as I do, 2 pieces. You could just buy a piece of wood that's like the 6 centimeters wide, instead of having to use 2 pieces of bamboo. But I like to challenge myself and use this interesting material, which is bamboo. Now that I've attached the 2 pieces of bamboo that's going to hold the seat, I am testing it out with the seating. I'm testing it out with the seat. I figured out it was too long. I don't know why I made it too long, but that was a very easy adjustment. And then now you're ready to make the seat. It's the same principle as the back support. Go right onto, attach the first piece of wood, in my case bamboo, at the edge where there's no angle, so it evens out with the edge, and then just make the seating as you want to. As I said before, with the back support, you can have space in between or not. Now you see it's beginning to look like a chair, and I'm just assembling it to make sure that I have the right space in between and that it can fit in between. And yeah, you just continue building the seat with the edge. I'd later in the video find out that I need like 4 of these sections of bamboo to make the seat as comfortable as possible. It is now time to test my little bamboo camping chair here. I'm conspiring if I should put one more row here, but I want to test it first before. It's going to be interesting to see if it supports me and how I did. So without further ado, see here. I actually don't think it will support me right now. I think I need to reinforce it a bit. Yeah, I have to. It's these two, they're not strong enough alone to, so I'll put 1 extra on top of it, and that should do it, I think. And now it really should be strong enough for me to do a test. So here we go. that's better. Let's see. Oh no, something is breaking. I'm a little bit afraid to turn around and look what it actually is. That's a pretty comfortable seat. Apart from the cracking sound, no! Oh yeah, here it is. Snap right here. This one. At least my main piece of bamboo didn't break here, because that would have been a shitty thing to have to replace. What can I do to make this better? Maybe I can actually just fix it quite easily if I do put some wire around it and then tighten it. I'll try to do that first before I do any big adjustments. Yes. I'm a bit skeptical here if this is gonna work, but sometimes it's allowed to test a quick fix. All right. Second test. It's all right, but I'm still a little bit afraid it will break once we really get out there. Just trying to think of a better way to do it. And that's the cool thing about this chair, and then it takes up no space. It'll easily fit in the car, apart from a normal chair. Won't take as much space. I'm still a bit torn if I should put one more row on. Let's just try it one more time. Do you want to try the chair? Andiamo.
Nej, hvad jeg forstår det ikke.
Hvor fattigt det er rigtigt. Træk til og fjern din højre hånd. Nej, du skal trække til i den her.
Jeg er bange for
Træk opad, træk ind i dig selv. Wow! Excellent.
Så fandme langt nede. Vi vil bare sidde på jorden så.
Det er da bedre end jorden, din lort.
Ja.
It is now time to do a test. I hope this one is a little better. Yeah, this chair is definitely better because it fits right on the back and it's not too tall. I think I'll have to cut a bit of the other one I have. This is good. Yes. Maybe I'll just put one more row on the seat and the back support. I think I'll do that. And there we go. This is our new, very simple camping chairs made from bamboo. On my mission here to try to use all my bamboo before we move, so I don't have to move any. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I really appreciate a like and subscribe, it would help a lot. Yeah, we'll see if it breaks, but I attached these plastic zippers on the latest one I made, which I think works better. The downside is I had to use some plastic, but sometimes plastic does come in handy. Yes. Thank you so much.